Welcome to
Little Learners TV.
Hello there, little ones. Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Today we're going to learn about animals. Animals are creatures that live all around us, from the tiniest ant to the giant elephant. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some animals have fur, some have feathers, and some even have scales. Let's explore some of the animals we can find in the world. First, let's talk about mammals. Mammals are animals that have fur or hair on their bodies. They also have a backbone and are warm-blooded, which means their body temperature stays the same no matter what the temperature is outside. Some examples of mammals are cats, dogs, horses, and even people. Next, let's talk about birds. Birds are animals that have feathers, a beak, and wings. They are also warm-blooded and lay eggs. Birds are amazing creatures that can fly, sing, and build nests. Some examples of birds are robins, eagles, and penguins. Now, let's move on to reptiles. Reptiles are animals that have scales or tough skin. They are also cold-blooded, which means their body temperature changes with the temperature outside. Some examples of reptiles are snakes, lizards, and turtles. Last but not least, let's talk about fish. Fish are animals that live in the water. They have gills to breathe underwater, and some have scales on their skin. Some examples of fish are goldfish, sharks, and whales. Now that we know a little bit about different types of animals, let's talk about why they're important. Animals play a big role in our environment. They help pollinate plants, provide food for other animals, and keep our ecosystems balanced. It's important that we take care of animals and their habitats so they can continue to thrive. Well, that's all for now, little ones. I hope you had fun learning about animals. Next time you go outside, see if you can spot some of the animals we talked about. Remember to always be respectful and admire them from a distance. Until next time, bye-bye.